Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we from Group 3 will present the final result of our project. Here I am Faiza with my friends Febriana, Eko, and Zidan. I want read this abstract. User want simple and fast calculator that does not need to install any software and can be modified according to the user wishes. The method used to solve this problem is to use a base-cell script or brown against cell, which is in charge of translating the comments we give into binary language in the Linux kernel. The end result is a simple calculator program that can perform basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division depending on user input in base. Keyword, simple, calculator, and base. The next will be explained by Febriana.
Introduction: the need for a simple and fast calculator that does not need to install any software and can be modified according to the wish of the user is the background of making this program. Calculators that are circulation already have their own standard that cannot be changed according to the user wishes, and sometimes the option and the calculate are not fully used, so that it can make it difficult for user to ask the calculator and seem to be a burden. Bash is an application, open source, free software. The job is to run other application in the form of command that are installed on the same system. Bash is a command and it's usually the default command exclude when opening a terminal window or log into a text console. Bash shell by default provide by most modern Linux and Unix distribution, but is considered so powerful because it's scriptable. But scripting allow you to take complex sequence of command, place them into a file, and run the file as a program. This saves you the time of having to repeatedly type a long sequence of commands that you routinely use. Bash has converses function like the double breaks, but a scripting language that doesn't support OOP like Python, Java. A simple calculator that can be modified but does not reduce the quality or function, which is actually the ultimate goal of making this program. Project methodology. The project methodology we use in the project is simple one. We divide the work into week base, and the first week is looking for project ID and what project we will mix regarding Bash script. The second week is looking for reference from the project that was made and making a flowchart or system model of the project. The third week is the process of making the Bash script a simple calculator, testing the script code, solving the project problem, and starting the journal project. The fourth week is process of making project presentation video. 3 is system model. This is the system model of our project. We make a flowchart that define the project of the Bash script code from the start. Then next to input choice, and start the user needs to choose what function or calculation the user want to ask by inputting the operating number. For this project, we make 10 selectable operation. Next is discussion. In this part, the code will continue to reach formulas according to the user input before. Next is inputting variable numbers. In this part, the user needs to input the variables numbers to needs to do the calculation. Next is the calculation process, which contain the operating formula. This part is the core of the simple calculator script because all the calculation will depend on the formula written in bus command from. Last but not least, print result. In this section, this brush script will output the calculation result. The result will depend on the operating the user has previously selected. It can be an integer or a decimal number. Then the system model and Eko.
Okay, next we will look into the script code. The script code is right in the Ubuntu operating system. This is the script code of our bus script. First line is Cbang, which contain the interpreter of bus. Next is we use echo command to print text and print the 10 operation. Next is we use read command to read user input. This is how to choose what operation user want to choose. Next is use switch case command to make a decision according to user input. First is addition. We'll add A plus B. Next is subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. This is power, square root. This is to subtraction. In this part, we use trigonometry function of BC command, which are to find arctangent of 1. We multiply by 4 to find P, and P, this is a user input, multiply by P, divide by 180 to find radian, and the result is the trigonometry what user search using BC command. And then the next is echo to print the result. I will perform. First, we generate the script and executing bash script. Here we choose what operation we do. I will example will choose to subtraction, and first we enter A, example 20, then 10, the result is 10. Okay, more I will choose cross. Then I will enter degree. Example 0 degree, and the cos of 0 is 1. This is the output, and we will move to next presentation. Okay, Zidan.
So the conclusion is Bash can be used to make simple calculator without any problem. And the calculator script is working properly and can be modified easily. The simple calculator in the script has advantage of being easily modified or customized, upgrading the script. For example, adding other function to your calculator may, that may not be present in a regular calculator, eventually turn it into a personal calculator. However, it also has a drawback that lies in the knowledge of the user that make it regarding what commands are suitable or appropriate to make the desired calculation formula. In the end, the simple calculator in Bash is something worth trying and using because it helps to do calculation the way you want, make it personal calculator simple and fast that you will familiar with and believe can solve your problem related to calculation. So that's it for our presentation and thank you.